everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. Yes, today I just want to show you something quickly. I'm literally at the back of the home, uh, um, and I want to show you all the changes I'm going to make. Obviously, as you can see, I already, because some of the windows were the wrong places, so I had to fix the windows, the holes, and make the windows. And this window is totally skew, as you can see here. So this whole wall, back wall, must change. So just to show like before, but I'm going to take off all this paper here again and make the windows nice, so it's nice flat inside. I'm going to take out all the windows because I'm going to put most now, hinges with real hinges. I will give you tutorials on how to do that. And luckily I've got enough rolls still of this leather for the back, so I can use that for the back side. I just hope I'm gonna have enough for the top side of the daughter's room. I'll see, I hope so. But anyhow, and then to end off here, because this was also off-cut I bought at a haberdashery shop, and this is the width, so I had to work with that. So obviously now there's a piece of cardboard sticking out there, but I had something before there, but it didn't look nice. So I found this as well at our local Chinese shop. It's like a foamy thing, but it looks like bricks. Okay, I know it's a bit too big on scale, but yeah, I liked it, and it will fit in the rest of the colors of my room. So yeah, I was also thinking about that, because he's going to stand in this room with all the actual pastel and light brown and all that color. So yeah, that's why I chose this specific color. I saw a black one there that was actually more up to scale, but I didn't want black in this room. So yeah, so I'm just gonna I cut off a piece already. And what's nice about it is got sticky tape on the back side, and this really sticks. So I'm just gonna put it like here, underneath all around the house, obviously except for this side here that the door is, so the other piece is going this side. I'm going to take off this as well, and I thought of just putting some nice like the wallpaper I've got that I can't use. It's not up to scale in it because you won't see this, but just to knit it off nicely. So on this side, and then obviously on this side of the other side of the bathroom and the dolls, the daughter's side, I'm going to just put some nice like wallpaper I can't really use, just to knit it off on the bowl bottom side and on the top side. So I actually just want to show you what I'm going to do next now, but I will give tutorials on how to do that. First I'm going to take out all the windows, and I'm going to take this off here, and then I will start from scratch. See you then on the next one. Bye.